And we're the Double Stitch Twins. Thank you so much for joining our YouTube channel. We really appreciate all the support and good vibes from our fellow crochet fashionistas. So do us a favor, click subscribe so that we can bring you more videos. And give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. Today's crochet tutorial is the African Inspired Neckpiece. It's super simple and uses just the basic crochet stitches. Check it out behind us. And it's just as fun to make as it is to wear. Let's get started. You'll need Bernat Maker Home Deck yarn, scissors, a tapestry needle, and a 6.5mm or K crochet hook. So let's get started with our adjustable loop. Now we're going to crochet 33 chains. So now that we have our 33 chains, we're going to count our third chain from the hook and single crochet into that stitch, and continue to single crochet in every chain across until we reach the end. So we're finishing up the single crochet stitches at the end, and we'll chain 2 and turn your work. Once here, we're going to half double crochet now, but into the back loop. You'll continue to half double crochet into the back loop of every single crochet across. That should give us a total of about 32 half double crochets. So now finishing up these last 2 half double crochets in the back loop of every stitch, we are going to chain 2 and we're going to turn our work. This time we're going to half double crochet into the front loop of every half double crochet stitch. This is nice because what it does is it creates a ribbing effect, but only on one side of the piece. You'll see later what I mean. So now that we're finishing up with these last couple of half double crochets, you can see that beautiful ribbing, and that will be our front side of the African Inspired Neckpiece. Here is where you start your chains, and we'll start with 120 chains. So now that we have 120 chains, we'll go over to the opposite end of the neck piece right at the corner and slip stitch in order to attach that chain. We'll slip stitch in the very next stitch, and now we're chain 110. Notice the wrong side of the neck piece is facing up. Once we've completed 110 chains, you're going to rotate your piece clockwise, skip 1/2 double crochet, and slip stitch into the next 1/2 double crochet to attach. Here is where you'll crochet 100, still working in increments of 10 chains, and repeat that same step of rotating the piece and attaching it on the opposite end. So you'll continue to decrease the number of chains by increments of 10 until you reach 60 chains. Once you reach 60, you'll decrease by increments of 5 until you reach 15 chains. Then you'll simply slip stitch again right at the center of the neck piece and fasten off to close. For the neckties, we simply chain 30 and we'll slip stitch that chain to the upper corner, right side facing up, of your neck piece into every stitch across the front. Once you reach the end, you'll chain 30 again for the second tie and fasten off. Weave in all your ends, and you are done. This lightweight tubular cotton yarn is perfect for any season. Feel free to add embellishments, change the lengths, and experiment with different colors.